Hello, I'll be showing you how to make a basic Jersey Club track. To do so, we'll open up the channel rack. You can also press F6 to do so. I've already opened up some sounds. For the 808, we have the Midnight Club 808. We also have the Loyal hi-hat and the Digital Coin perk. We also have Blip Blob. This is a sound from Flex under the Magnificent preset pack. You can download this for free directly from the Flex store over here. Now we'll create a basic Jersey Club track. Using Blip Blob, I'll right click to open up the piano roll. I'll make a melody in the A sharp minor scale. Now that we have a basic minor scale melody, I'm going to place this in the playlist. Now I want to create a new pattern. I'm going to scroll my mouse wheel up until we have pattern 2. I'll paste pattern 2 on track 2. Now we'll go back to the channel rack. And now on pattern tune, I want to add an 808 rhythm to follow the melody. I'll do so in a Jersey Club style. To make a Jersey Club 808 pattern, first you draw your first key. And then you continue doing so on each bar. But right before the fourth bar, you place a point here. And then you place another point here. And then you create the Jersey Club rhythm as so. Simple as that. To duplicate it, I'll simply hold down Control and press B and do so until it reaches the 5th bar. So now it sounds like this. By changing the song mode to song, we can hear the playlist. It sounds okay, but the 808 is too low. So now I'll highlight all of them, and using the Alt key on my keyboard, I'll use my scroll wheel to bring it up. So now the volume is all the way at its highest point, and let's hear what that sounds like. It's better, but just a little bit too loud, so I'll bring it down a little bit. Okay, it's a little interesting. So now I'll go to the mixer view. As you can see, I already linked all of the sounds to the mixer. So now what I want to do is go to the 808, the first mixer track, and add some saturation. To do so, I'll go into the Fruity Wave Shaper. And then I'll right click the presets, and I want to click on Quick Saturation. So let's see what that sounds like. I want to increase the tension. Let's manipulate it a little bit more. Now I'll make some adjustment in the pattern. I will then lower the octave during second half. So I'll open up the pattern, select the second half, and hold down the Control and down arrow key. So just make it sound like this. From here, we'll open up the digital coin perk. So I'll use the existing 808 pattern for this. Now I'll make some further adjustments as I caught a new interest. Let's see what it sounds like if we bring down the key. That sounds a little interesting. So I want to open up Blip Blob, and I will go back to our original pattern, pattern 1, and erase what we did by hitting Ctrl X. And now I'll open that piano roll and change the mode to song mode again and hit play. And while it's playing, I'll add some melodies that fits it. Pick another sound. transposing the melodies and giving both melodies and the 808s a new pattern. It also helped change the atmosphere. So I also want to change the sound of the 808 again. After many adjustments and many pitch changes, we now have our basic Jersey Club track. We've added the 808 and digital perk. We added the blip blob that now turns into fluffy bells. We adjusted the mixer effects, expression within the 808. From here, we can continue extending the track, but that'll be it for today's video. Our future videos, we may continue off of this track. Until then, have a nice one.